Good morning, everyone. Today I'm at my mom's house replacing her wine barrel, whiskey barrel. I think I've seen it been called either one. When I do that, I'm going to take out the dwarf mountain flax, replace it in the new one, surround it with Superbells Doublette Love Swept. About mid-season I'll come through, give these a bit of a haircut, and that will just keep them growing even that much longer, and they'll mound up even that much more. When I put the soil in the new barrel, I'll be able to run the drip underneath as opposed to on top, how I had to do this one. I'm going to dig out the dwarf mountain flax to begin with, move all the dirt, and put fresh soil in. These Superbells will grow up to about 10 inches high, and then they'll begin to trail over the edge of the barrel. I'm not sure if you were able to catch on the camera, but her other one was definitely falling apart. She was ready for a new one. I think she's gonna like this combination, and about mid-season I'll come through and cut them, and that will help them to bush out a little bit more before they begin to trail over. Thank you guys so much for coming along to my mom's house with me. I hope you guys have a really great week, and we'll see you soon. Bye.